Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to webmail. There are two ways to access your webmail. You can access your webmail by simply typing into the browser address bar your domain name /webmail, and the other way is to log in through your cPanel. In your cPanel, click Email in the submenu. This will bring you to your email accounts page. Here you can locate the email address that you want to use, and click More, and then Access Webmail. You will need to enter the password for that email address, and then click Login. Then you will be shown your three webmail client options: Horde, Roundcube, and Squirrel Mail. You can use whichever client you prefer. If you have a favorite, you can enable autoload so that client is used each time you log into webmail. And there you go. That's how you would log into your webmail.